To nothing's going to creation. He'll fight for justice and the necessary cure. He may be moving, but he will always still be Roger. Explosion. Roger, explosion.
Stick your hands up, you bum.
I don't care. Operation Java is not going to be jeopardised.
But 2 of our nuclear submarines are already missing.
Missing? That's a very polite way of putting it.
Now, I refuse to believe the Russians are involved. They simply haven't got the resources to carry...
The Russians have got more resources than we know of. That's why I'm calling in our best man.
Who?
You'll see. Come.
Good morning, Minister. Good morning, Admiral.
Admiral Dacron, meet Roger Explosion.
Thank you very much, sir.
Your reputation precedes you.
Sorry. Thank you very much, sir. Minister, I came as soon as I received your phone call.
I appreciate it. Explosion, what do you know about Operation Java?
Looks at Commander.
Good luck, Explosion. We're counting on you.
Yeah, was that right?
I'm gonna ask you for the plans again.
Do what you like to me. I'll never talk.
Oh, you will talk, all right, baby.
Leave her alone! Leave her alone, Buto!
You got a hell explosion!
Not if I see you first! Are you all right, Ethel? It's nothing. Sorry, go on.
It's you I'm worried about.
This? It's nothing. All in a day's work for me, Roger Explosion's secret agent.
Well, I don't know how you did it, Explosion, but you did. The free world's safe again. Congratulations.
And may I congratulate you too, Explosion, on behalf of the naval forces.
Can I come in, Roger? Or do I need to make an appointment?
Yeah. No time for making love, Ethel. I've just been on the phone to the Prime Minister. He tells me that some Russian spies have made off with our secret rocket-fueled diamonds.
I'll come in with you.
No, baby. It's dangerous out there. Do you hear me? Dangerous.
But Roger...
No. I must go. Australia needs me. So do I. Sorry, it's yours.
So do I.
Closer. Good. Australia's in trouble, and I'm the man to extricate it from the trouble. Sorry, I think I said trouble twice. Can we go again on that, or was it all right? formula back and destroy enemy.
Explosion. Why is it that I'm not surprised that you have arrived unannounced?
Buto, how is it that I knew that you were always at the bottom of this?
Do you like my little undersea kingdom?
You'll be laughing out the other side of your face when I'm through with you.
Tonight, Explosion, you die.
Over my dead body.
My computer! The rocket fuel is ruined.
Thought you might need my help, Roger.
Hey, guns are no things for ladies. All right, Buto, you're coming with me.
Don't you mean us, Roger?
Perhaps I do, Ethel. Close up. Okay, that was good.
Roger, Explosion here to see you, Minister.
Thank you, Dolores. Send him in.
Buto must be stopped, sir. This time he's gone too far. Too far, I tell you. Those atomic submarines are...
Yes, I'm aware of your concerns, Admiral. The whole Pacific region is like a powder keg, and they're looking to us to make sure the whole thing doesn't go up. That's why I called for explosion.
Thank God.
Come.
Good morning, Major. I came as soon as I was humanly possible.
Explosion, the Admiral and I believe that Operation Java is in trouble.
Deep trouble.
Operation Java. Isn't that the system by which the Soviet free world is controlled by a scheme? Exactly. And that's why we want you to track down Buto and bring him to justice.
Exactly, and that's why we want you to track down Buto and bring him to justice.
Justice. Gentlemen, I assure you that if there's any man, living or dead, who can bring Buto in alive, that man or woman is me. Roger Explosion. Secret agent.
Go to it, man.
Thank you.
Godspeed, Explosion.
Sorry. A 52, unless I'm greatly mistaken.
Explosion! I'll kill you for this!
It's clobbering time. Will you not be using our atomic submarines for the purposes that you ought to think that you were going to use them for? Sorry. No? For purposes of communism, you rot in prison for the damage and havoc that you almost ought. Come with me to the explosion-mobile. Take 73. Speed. Action.
You never
No,
cease...
this is for the camera. Yours got a separate camera. Go now.
You never cease to amaze me, Explosion. However did you do it?
Well, Minister, I guess you could say that when it comes to Buto and water, he's all washed up. I mean, crime. Mrs. Explosion, what do you think of this room? They call it the honeymoon suite.
Oh, Roger, it's beautiful.
Oh, I wonder who that could... Oh, sorry. I wonder who that could be now.
You get that, Roger. I'm going to slip into something more comfortable.
Moves to phone. Yes, Minister? What? I'll be there as soon as I can. Trouble, but how? Holy Toledo!
So, Explosion, we meet again.
Buto, my old enemy. I'd let you go if I were her.
Yes, but you're not me, Explosion, and that is just the way I like it.
Roger, he's got a grenade.
Aye!
My God, Explosion, it's lucky you weren't killed.
Duh. All part of the job, Admiral Koenig. What did he say?
Goodbye, Prime Minister.
What did he say?
Explosion. What do you know about the bacteria syndrome?
Only that the Soviets have been developing it since the Cold War, and that if it escapes into the atmosphere, it'll destroy the ozone layer because it's extremely poisonous, and without salt water, it will continue to do its dirty work.
Exactly.
Buto. Yeah. Buto!
What's this got to do with Buto?
I know. What's this got to do with Buto?
He's stolen the bacillus.
Aye!
He's hijacked an atomic aircraft carrier and was last seen with Ethel at these coordinates.
Don't worry, Minister, Admiral. I, Roger Explosion, am on the case.
Goodbye, Explosion.
Goodbye, Explosion, and Godspeed. Must get Buto and recover atomic aircraft carrier and neutralize bacteria syndrome in salt water, thus saving ozone layer and Ethel.
You'll never get away with this, Buto. You hear me? Never.
Never's a very long time, baby. And don't think that your precious Roger Explosion will save you either. There was enough TNT in that grenade to blow him to hell and back.
It'll be a cold day in hell before that freezes over, Buto.
Explosion?
Take this! Get him! Not as horrible as not having any ozone layer, baby. Quick, let's get out of here. This place is gonna blow.
Well, Explosion, the free world owes you another debt of gratitude.
The Prime Minister wants to thank you in person.
I'm afraid I can't. I have a honeymoon to attend to.
Oh, Roger.
Cheers!
Roger, come quickly. The minister's been shot.
Wait a minute. Blood. It's the minister's blood. Minister! Who's done... Oh, sorry. Ethel, call on the phone an ambulance to save him now. On the minister's desk, you'll find the phone. Just do it, goddamn you!
Of course.
Explosion, are you there?
Yes! Yes, I am, my old comrade.
Who did this to you?
Who did this to you?
The Admiral. It was the Admiral.
The Admiral. I.E.
I'm failing